Hello my friends, today we got some new video about how recover gold from the fiber CPU. We got some maybe 10 pieces here. So this is just acid bleach and Hcl-Peroxide method. So we got these two black fiber, it's actually good for gold recovery, and we got some MD. This is Pentium 3, some got caps. So first what we will do is to remove pins. We do that with a micro torch, and we will start the process now. I use this little micro torch. See that? Just turn it around. So you see that this is how you remove all that pins. So I will back when I remove all the pins from the CPU. So what we got a problem with the black fiber is that we cannot remove that pins with heat, because go deep in the fiber, and what you can do is to remove, you can remove that cap like this. You do that with some mechanic tool. Okay, you see that? We will remove that layer too, and we will put that together with the pins. So we got some dye here, silicon dye, and we will add together. Now you try to break this to get your center to go recovery, and you see that you open this, you got some little bastard stuck here, just remove it, come on. Okay, now we will clean the center, and you see that all that gold. So when you remove that, this you will process the same like IC chips. Now we will add some hydrochloric acid. Just to cover the pins. Two will be enough for now, for start. I use hydrochloric acid 20%, but you can use stronger, it's better than stronger. So we will add 3 part acid and 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 3%. That will be enough to start reaction. So what we now left is that fiber. It's usually worthless, but we got some gold on that corner, some spot, and this pentium 3 got some gold inside. So we keep this, and we got this MD just little here and here, not much, and some gold corner here, but I just keep them on the side. When I got enough, I will remove all that MLCT and soak him in the some already used AP to remove that tin, and I got that center from gold, but now I'll just put him on the side. After only half an hour, you see that solution start little green, and you see all that bubble, so it's looking very good. Okay, when we finish remove the pins, we put the pins in the jar, and we add some hydrochloric acid and hydrogen peroxide 3%, hydrochloric acid 20%. You can find stronger 35%. You see that reaction already start. Solution is smart green, and it's looking very good. So you just put them on the heat or add bubbler like what you want and leave it. And we got here that fiber, black fiber. We can mix we cannot mix black fiber and that pins, because that pins is mostly copper. We got some iron, but mostly copper, and black fiber is all iron, and iron will cement all that copper from the solution. So we keep them separately, and we just leave it side by side to see how much long we need time to dissolve that base metal. Okay, this is after 24 hours. This is our fiber pins. You see that solution became some darker, but we got some little foils inside. I don't know if you see that. And this is our black fiber inside. We already got some foils from the center fiber, and some of pins is removed from the fiber, but not all. Solution became a little darker, so okay, we'll leave it on this piece of metal on the sun. Solution is hot, so we will leave it for more couple of days. This is just a jar from the slot card pins, but actually it can't fell off. And this is our fiber pins after today. This is second day. See that we got some foils in it, and some pins fell off, some not. Hydrogen is a work a reaction, but a long time I'll try some stuff to combine hydrogen and copper chloride, and for me is work good. So I add in this just 1 cup copper 2 chloride in that pins. So you think that that copper will cement on pins, but believe me, they not. I don't know why. If you add in beginner copper 2 chloride on that pins, that pins will cement copper, but if you add now after a day or two together with hydrogen, they will not cement on the pins. So see that. Okay, we'll leave it more, and we'll see tomorrow what will happen. Okay, this is after 8 days. See that? All that upper it's only foils from the pins, but we still got some base metal on this side. See that? And we leave it for more 2 days, 3 days, how much necessary. This is our black fiber pins, black fiber CPU pins. Same situation. Okay guys, after 10-11 days, you see we got all that foils. Down in the corner we got some base metal, but all the gold fell off from the base metal, and now we will not wait all base metal dissolve, because that will ask from us more acid. Now we're gonna filter this. This is our pins, and this is our black fiber CPU. So the first we got our tissue down that filter. So just shake and filter. So I'll be back when I finish all that filtering. It's a boring job. Okay, look at all that gold and that black powder on the filter. Some of that is gold, and in that jar we will clean with water our black fiber CPU, and you see that we'll process him together in acid bleach, same like ceramic CPU. And this is from the fiber pins. You see what is only left? This is just iron. See that? No gold on him, just iron pins. Gold, it came off. So I will filter this through the same filter, clean with the distilled water, put the back filter in this jar, and do some refining. See that foils, big foils, cool. And now we got our filter in the jar, and look what I'm talking about. All that black stuff in the tissue, it's gold, very fine gold dust which go through the filter. But to show you, look from the bottom, the tissue is white, so everything stays on tissue. We put the tissue together with the filter because it contains a lot of gold, and refined together with this. Okay, for now we got all that gold in our jar, and now we go to refining. We will add hydrochloric acid just to cover all that. 1.5 cup will be enough. And now we got some bleach. So we don't got solid gold here, so don't need a lot of bleach. Now remember, put your mask on. I'll do that right now, because the chlorine gas is very dangerous. Okay. You notice that I use this for the cup, because you got a hole from the air, and don't allow too much to vaporize chlorine. Okay, we add just little by little bleach, just a little bit, shake it a couple of times. All that procedure need at least 20 minutes to melt all the foils, to be sure to melt all the foils. But you never hurry. When you hurry, it's pretty quick right now. Okay, I'll be back when I finish this. Okay guys, now we'll finish our dissolve process. So we'll filter this. Always wet your filter. Thick skin. And now shake it. Filter your auguric solution. Nice color. Now I'll put my gloves. Okay. And now I will squeeze all that filter. Got every drop of auguric solution, because believe me, every drop of your gold or your auguric solution contains gold. Then you just put them in the waste filter. Okay. Now you wash your gloves for the left auguric solution. And now you just wash with distillated water your jar with CPUs. This voice on the by side is my daughter, who's joking with me. Thinks his daddy crazy because he's talking to himself. He's not much wrong. Just nice clean everything. Okay, now we finish. Grab that filter. We'll leave that filter in the jar with the waste filter. It's already clean with the water, so don't guilty me because I don't wear some gloves. Okay, so we got a pretty good color of the solution. Now we make a double that solution. It's not much, so we add just 1 part hydrochloric acid. And 1 part, maybe a 2 part of distillated water. Shit, I spilled something. No problem, just water. This is just to reduce that pH level, to neutralize bleach. Okay, so now what we do is to dissolve some calcium metabisulfate. It's actually potassium metabisulfate, but in Serbian we say calcium metabisulfate, in 1 cup of water, distillated water. I'll show you first person shooter. Sorry because my video always is too long, but I really cannot explain everything in the 5 minutes video. I don't want that, and I don't like that, so I'll try you with the teeny nerves, everybody people, to everything see and everything understand. Okay, now we'll do some drop. We'll drop. Okay, we got some change color. Look at that. Our solution became uncolorless, so now we'll expect some reaction. When I do that CPU, ceramic CPU, I get immediately reaction, but here that not be the case. You never know what happens. You just could hope that everything is okay. And reaction will start now. We got a little darker solution. This jar, it's my ceramic CPU solution. It's over settled down. I got pretty good gold inside, but in these I don't expect too much. But okay, every gold is important. Shit. I will put my mask off. And now we got some reaction. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so I just quit recording and show you how it's look at the end and change color. So just to show you that chemistry know to be the bitch. Chemistry is a bitch sometime. After 2 minutes I got some change color, but you see that it's already start to settle down, but it still is not too much. I really expect much gold. Actually I see the bottom here, not with not like that. That is be a good drop from the last video, but here I really don't know what expecting there. I do everything the same, but sometimes something goes wrong. So now we will see what has happened. Actually, we will see what's happened when the gold is settled down. How much gold we got. Okay guys, this is our final product. So it's not a lot. See that? I hope to get some better yield, but I don't know what's happened. I'm not losing my gold. I check everything. I don't got the gold on base metal. I don't got the gold in a solution. So probably it's a tiny plating gold. So unique gold. So guys, I skipped the filtering part. Actually, not all the process is worthless. We got this little bead here, look at that, and shit, I don't got battery on scale anymore, but come on, it's cut. See that? I think it's actually 0.1 gram. Look on the size, it's 0.1 gram. So I measure next time when I change battery on the scale, but this we got from that fiber and the black fiber CPU. So goodbye guys. Not much, but it's been fun.